The UK Sustainability Disclosure Standards aim to provide investors with financial information related to sustainability that is rigorous, comparable and useful for decision making, thereby supporting long-term sustainability growth in the country. The approach adopted maintains close alignment with international standards developed by the International Sustainability Standards Board ISSB, ISRS S1 and S2, while incorporating specific adjustments to the UK context. For example, it requires disclosure at the same time as the financial statements rather than at a later date, removes the requirement to use a specific industry classification system, thereby avoiding potential additional disclosure costs, and allows climate disclosure to be phased in over 3 years rather than concentrating this requirement in the first year. This technical note summarises the changes to UK sustainability reporting standards in relation to the international standards developed by the ISSB.